what's up, what's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, sweet and spicy salmon recipe. Stay tuned. So we're going to start today's recipe off by adding a little drizzle of oil, alright? Then we're going to add our seasoning. This is 1 teaspoon of Sazon seasoning. This right here is some paprika, 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of complete seasoning. Here we have some all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon. Rub it in, just like this. Nice and slow. You don't want to break up the fish, you know. So just take your time, rub in the seasoning, you know, nice and slow. So you want to turn your stove to about a medium-high heat. Once the pan is nice and hot, go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Once everything is fully melted, then we're going to add our salmon. Go ahead and add your salmon, and we're going to sear our salmon for about 2 minutes per side. Skin side down. Just let it sear 2 minutes, and then we should be good. Go ahead and flip your salmon. It's been about 2 minutes. So like I said, flip it over. Just like that. Smelling so good. And your skin should be nice and crispy. Alright guys, so right now you should still have a little bit of oil left, about a tablespoon, right? So we're going to add some fresh minced garlic. This is about 3 cloves of garlic. Mix it up a little. We're going to add a tablespoon of grated ginger. Smelling good, guys. It's about 1/3 of a cup of onion, diced onion. We have some green onion or scallion. It's about 2 stalks of scallion right here. Then we're going to add some fresh thyme. Mix it up. So here I have some freshly diced mango. I have some tomato. This is 1 tomato, half bell pepper, red bell pepper. Add that in. Stir it up. Look how colorful this is, guys. Beautiful. And then we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. About 2 tablespoons. Mix it in. This is going to add a nice little citrusy flavor to our salmon recipe today. Alright, so now I'm also going to add half cup of white wine. There we go. Oh yes. Mix it in. Now I'm going to add a little bit of hot sauce. About a teaspoon. Not too much. Okay, we're not going to overkill it. We're not going to overspice it today. You know, we're going to keep it simple. Alright. Smelling good, looking good. Alright. And now we're going to add our Asian sauce. This is the liquid magic right here, guys. Ooh! Oh yeah. Look at that. So now you just want to cook your salmon. Look how beautiful these are, guys. Look. This is how your salmon should be looking after searing it for 4 minutes, alright? So now you want to drop it right in to that nice swimming pool of flavor, you know? Drop it in. Just like that, man. Yes, man, say. Oops! Almost dropped that one. Alright, so we're going to bring it to a boil. Cook this for about 5 minutes. And then we should be good. You know, we're going to add this on top of a bed of white rice, white basmati rice. Yeah, man. and then the rest is history. So continue to watch the video. Don't go nowhere. You know, you might miss out on the secret recipe. Yeah, man. So let's continue watching, guys, and yeah, big up on yourself. Now we're gonna add a little bit of sugar, add some sweetness to it, not much, and then we're just gonna let this simmer. All right, guys, so this is my sweet and spicy salmon. This is how it's looking. You know, I topped it off with some mango salsa, you know, a little bit of fresh green onion on top, and also some white basmati rice. Yeah, man, this is gonna be so good. Time for me to do that taste test. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so you should cook your salmon for at least 10 minutes, and this is the result right here. This beautiful masterpiece packed with a bunch of flavor, guys. I'm gonna do a quick taste test to let you know how it is. Oh, so good, guys. Definitely a must-try recipe. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.